Have you ever made a small money decision that didn't feel like a big deal at the time? Maybe skipping an investment. Maybe spending a little extra. Maybe telling yourself, I'll start later. It feels harmless, right? But what if I told you that one of these small decisions could quietly cost you over $100,000? And the worst part is, most people don't even realize they're making it. Let me tell you about Rahul. He's 25, just got his first decent paying job. Nothing crazy, but enough to finally feel independent. And like most people his age, he starts enjoying it. Better food, weekend outings, upgrading his phone, subscribing to things he never needed before. Now here's the thing. Rahul isn't reckless. He's not wasting money like crazy. He's just living normally. And every month, he tells himself, I'll start saving and investing next year. Sounds reasonable, right? That's exactly what most people think. Let's break down what Rahul is actually doing. Instead of investing $10,000 a month, he's spending it. Not on one big thing, but on small upgrades. Now imagine this. If Rahul had invested that $10,000 every month into something simple, earning around 10% annually, over 10 years, that money wouldn't just sit there. It would grow and grow and grow. And by the end, he wouldn't have 12 lakh. He'd have over 20 lakh. That's the power of compounding. But Rahul doesn't see that because all he sees is $10,000 today. And $10,000 doesn't feel like a life-changing amount.
This is where most people get it wrong. Your brain is not designed to think long-term. It's designed to prioritize what feels good now. So when you choose between spending today versus investing for 10 years later, your brain automatically leans toward the present because the future feels distant, unreal, almost imaginary. That's why losing 10,000 rupees today feels painful, but losing 1 million rupees in the future doesn't feel real at all, even though it should. Now, let's fast forward. Rahul turns 35. Life is more serious now. More responsibilities, less flexibility. And now he finally decides to start investing. But here's the problem. He's already lost 10 years. So now to reach the same goal, he has to invest almost double every month. More pressure, more stress, less time. And that's the real cost. Not just money, but lost time. Let's compare two people. Rahul starts investing at 35. Aman starts at 25. Both invest the same total amount over time. But Aman ends up with way more money than Rahul. Why? Because he gave his money more time to grow. That's it. No special skills, no risky strategies, just time. This is the mistake that costs people $100,000 or more. Not starting early. It doesn't feel like a mistake when you're young. It feels like flexibility, freedom, enjoying life. But in reality, it's a silent financial leak. One that gets bigger every year. And here's something even more important. This isn't about being perfect. You don't need to invest huge amounts. You don't need to sacrifice everything. You just need to start. Because once you start, two things happen. Your money begins compounding, and your habits begin compounding. And habits are just as powerful as money. So what should you actually do? Keep it simple. Start small. Even $2,000 or $5,000 a month is fine. The amount doesn't matter in the beginning. Consistency does. Then increase it slowly as your income grows. And most importantly, automate it.